Assalamu alaikum children. Welcome to the science class for the grade 5. In today's video we are going to revise lesson number 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. We are revising it for the preparation of summative assessment 1. So children, let's go through these lessons. So this is lesson number 3, safety and first aid. In this lesson we will go through textbook exercises first. So here is a quick check, fill in the blanks. Accidents occur because of carelessness. One should cross the road at the zebra crossing. We should not wear synthetic clothes near fire. Throwing water over electrical fire can cause electrocution. If we notice a loose wire, we should call the electrician. Okay, here are more exercises. True or false? Stray dogs and cats carry the rabies virus. Yes, true. Snake bite is harmless. It is false. To put out an electrical wire, you should use water. No, false. A sling provides a rigid support to the fractured area. True. In sprain, the injured area swells up. True. So here are fill in the blanks. Do not operate electrical appliances in case of a gas leak in the kitchen. In case of an electrical fire, put off the main switch. Never touch any electrical gadgets with wet hands. First aid is the help given to the injured before a doctor arrives. Wounds should be cleaned with an antiseptic lotion. When a bone cracks or breaks, it is called fracture. A sling is a triangular support made with a piece of cloth. Okay, here are choose the correct answers. In case of a gas leak in the kitchen, one should open all the doors and windows of the house. Which of the following should never be used to put out an electric fire? Water we should never use. If there is a fire in the building, one should exit the building using the stairs. Which of the following is a part of the first aid given for a cut or wound? Which of the following is not a part of first aid given to a cut or wound? So here correct answer is scratch the wound, which is not the part of first aid. In case of nose bleed, pinch the bridge of the nose and apply ice. Correct answer is nose bleed. Okay. In case of a cut or wound, one should take anti-tetanus injection. Okay. So this lesson number 3 completed. Let's go to lesson number 4, matter, solid, liquid and gas. So in this lesson here are fill in the blanks. A molecule is the smallest particle of the substance that shows all the properties of the substance. There are 3 basic states of matter. The forces of attraction between molecules are strongest in solids. In gas, there are large spaces between molecules. Liquid occupy the shape of the container they are poured into. Here are take the correct answer from this lesson on page number 40. Choose the correct option. The substance that dissolves in a liquid is known as solute. Molecules in a gas move at a great speed in all directions. A physical change is usually reversible. Which of the following is an immiscible liquid? Kerosene, means which cannot dissolve in water. Which state of matter has a fixed volume but not fixed shape? Water. Liquid. Here match the following. Physical change matches to temporary change. Solids matches to wood, glass and plastic. Chemical change matches to permanent change. Liquids matches to water, milk, kerosene. Gases matches with oxygen and carbon dioxide. And sweet tea matches with sugar is the solute. Okay. Here true or false? Solid, liquid and gas are the 3 states of matter. Yes, right, true. Gases have a fixed shape and volume. False. Chalk powder forms a solution with water. False. In a sugar water solution, sugar is the solvent. False, because sugar is a solute. Water evaporating to make clouds is a physical change. No. Water evaporating to make clouds is a physical change. No, false. Ripening of a mango is a physical change. Is false. Okay. So here we have completed lesson number 4. Let's go to lesson number 5, rocks and minerals. Here you can see slow cooling of magma below Earth's surfaces forms intrusive igneous rocks. Quick cooling of lava on Earth's surface, extrusive igneous rocks. Deposition of sediments, sedimentary rocks. Transformation of an existing rock is metamorphic rock. Okay. Next is the correct answer from the same lesson. A mineral found in pumice is zircon. Extrusive igneous rocks form when magma cools down very quickly on reaching on the earth's surface. Next, dash is a metamorphic rock formed from sedimentary rock. Limestone, that is marble. Coal is used for cooking, heating and electricity generation. So all of this is correct answer. Rocks are made up of minerals. Okay, here I choose the correct words and fill in the blanks. Rocks that form when existing rocks are subjected to extreme heat and pressure are called metamorphic rocks. Chalk, sandstone and limestone are sedimentary rocks. Granite, basalt and pumice are igneous rocks. And fuel we use in our vehicles are non-metallic in nature. Okay, next is match the following. Conglomerate matches with sedimentary rock, pumice matches with igneous rocks, coal matches with rock oil, marble matches with metamorphic rock and petroleum matches with anthracite. Here are more fill in the blanks with complete the sentence. When magma erupts on Earth's surface, it is called lava. Rocks are made up of minerals. When magma cools down slowly, that is called intrusive igneous rocks, and when magma cools down quickly, it makes extrusive igneous rocks. Slate is transformed from sedimentary rock, shale, and sun, wind and water are renewable resources of energy. Next is lesson number 6 is soil. Here the uppermost layer of earth is topsoil, made of the decayed remains of dead plants is humus. The process by which rocks break down to form soil is called weathering. The wearing away of topsoil is called soil erosion. It's from the same lesson. Take the correct answers. Topsoil is the layer of soil where plants grow. Which layer of soil lies above broken rocks? That is subsoil. Smallest particle of soil is clay. Which of the following is not a cause of soil erosion? Afforestation. The terrace farming is done in hilly regions. Fill in the blanks. Humus is formed from dead and decaying plants and animals. Soil is made up of 3 layers: topsoil, subsoil and bedrock. Planting forests is called afforestation. Terrace farming and growing cover crops prevent soil erosion. Running water and wind causes erosion. Okay. Here this 7th lesson is deleted. Let's go to 8th lesson. Skeletal system. We will see exercises from this lesson. Here, the skeleton helps us to stand upright. The skull is attached to the spine. The spine is made up of 33 small bones. The rib cage protects the heart and the lungs. The skull encloses the brain. So, brain is protected by the skull. Remember. Here, write the name of the joint. Elbow joint is hinge joint. Neck joint, pivotal joint. Hip joint is ball and socket joint. Wrist joint is gliding joint, and knee is hinge joint. Okay. Here, which muscles help you to do following actions? Means you have to write your voluntary muscles and involuntary muscles, and the cardiac word. These words use these words and fill in the blanks. To breathe, this action is involuntary. To pump the blood, this is cardiac. Blinking of eyes, involuntary. To swallow, voluntary. To run, voluntary. And to digest food is involuntary process. Okay. Here the name of the bone and their details: rib cage, backbone and skull. Go through this. Okay. Here are choose the correct answers. Tendons are very strong elastic bands of tissues. Short bones are shaped like cubes and are found primarily in the wrist. Correct answer is short. 33 bones of the vertebrae form the vertebral column, and gliding joints are found in the wrist, ankle and between the vertebrae. So wrist joint is gliding joint. Pivot joint is it allows us to bend our head up, down and sideways. So the joint which join our head and neck, that is called pivot joint. Okay. Here are more questions. Picking a ball, we use gliding joint. Brushing your teeth, hinge joint. Kneading dough, a gliding joint. Cycling, ball and socket joint, and turning the head left and right, pivot joint. Here, name the following. Framework of bones that gives shape to our body: skeleton. The tough, flexible tissue that joins the bones is ligament. An example of pivot joint in our body is neck. The muscles that are under our conscious control are voluntary muscles. The examples of involuntary muscles is cardiac means heart muscles. Okay, and go through this diagram and their the labeling of this diagram also. Different bones and joints names are given. Next, last lesson, lesson number 9. Okay, nervous system. In this also exercises are there. Name the part of the brain that controls the following. So which part of the body is controlled with which part of the brain, that you have to write. Okay, practice for this. Sensory nerves, motor nerves, and okay, sensory nerves, motor nerves. Here are, take the correct answers. The images of objects are formed on the retina. Dash controls the involuntary muscles of the body, that is medulla. Here wrong answer is given, you have to correct and write it. Dash carry information from our sense organs to our brain. Sensory nerves. Dash is the circular opening that allows light into the eye, that is pupil. And the brain stem connects the dash to the brain, that is spinal cord. Take the correct answers. Cerebellum in the brain is responsible for maintaining balance of our body. Iris controls the amount of light that enters the eye. The reflex action is controlled by spinal cord. And retina is the back. Retina is at the back of the eye where the images are formed. Dash is at the back of the eye. What is at the back of the eye which controls the images are found? That is retina. Okay. Here, which part of the brain controls our thinking? Cerebrum. Here, this sense organs helps you to balance when riding a bicycle. Ears, the largest part of the brain, cerebrum. The actions that are automatic and prevent injury, reflex action. The nerves that cause the movement of voluntary muscles is motor nerves. Okay, here is the diagram of brain. Go through this: cerebrum, cerebellum, medulla, and spinal cord. Okay, children, go through this video and practice for lesson number 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.